We're following a new accusation from the attorney for Eric Black, one of two men charged in the death of Jasmine Barnes.
Eric Black's attorney claims some HPD investigators may have violated his client's rights while interviewing him. Channel 2 investigator Robert Arnold live downtown with this story. Robert?
Eric Black Jr.'s attorney was careful with his words. Nonetheless, he says investigators interviewed Black even after he says he told the court he no longer wants anyone in law enforcement questioning his client.
Either way, something is wrong here, and we need to get to the bottom of it.
Alvin Nunnery is the attorney for Eric Black Jr., who is one of two men charged with the murder of Jasmine Barnes.
It is a clear violation of both his substantive and procedural due process rights.
Nunnery says members of the gang task force interviewed Black on January 10th. He says this interview came 3 days after he says the court granted his motion that Black no longer be questioned by investigators.
And we need to know how involved that is to see whether it has tainted anything that they've already done.
Nunnery says he has asked the district attorney's office to provide the names of the officers involved in that interview at the jail and what exactly was discussed.
I want them to preserve their interview notes. I want to find out if they recorded the interview.
Nunnery says as soon as he has the names of the officers involved, he will subpoena them and call for a hearing. Nunnery says he is also asking whether the district attorney's office properly notified law enforcement they were to no longer speak with Black.
Every law enforcement officer knows or should know.
Nunnery was cautious not to say whether he feels this could jeopardize the case against Black. Now, investigators have said Black has admitted to driving the car used in Jasmine Barnes' murder, but implicated another man, Larry Woodruff, as the shooter. Woodruff, through his attorney, has denied any involvement. Officials with the district attorney's office declined to comment. Reporting live from downtown, Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.